Hi guys, welcome back to Blackline Financial, the channel that shares with you all the different ways and websites to start building your online income. I want to share another website with you today, but before that, make sure you subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our uploads. We only share legit websites with you that we have personally tested. Okay, let's visit enrollapp.com. This is another website which you can take part in user tests to earn money. Let's scroll down and see what this website is all about. See what real companies are working on right now and let them know what you think. You'll be the first to get sneak peeks behind the screen. Addicted to your phone or tablet? Fear not. You can take user tests on any device. Phones, tablets, desktops, whatever you prefer. Collect badges to show off to your friends and get compensated for each test conveniently via PayPal. Be a part of the internet's next revolution. Help good ideas happen, make suggestions, and stop bad ones in their tracks. There have been over 600,000 tests taken on Enroll app. You can take a sample test here, so you know what to expect. So let's click on that. Then you start practicing a fake test so you know what to expect. And as you can see, it's so simple. It shows us a website and tells us to click on one of the locations. So let's click on Las Vegas and hit continue. Then it asks us how this picture makes us feel, and it gives us a list of answers to click. So let's click disgust, because why not? Then it asks us why we feel that way. Then just enter your details and boom, it's done. It's that simple and quick. It took us a couple of minutes to do it. So I want you to sign up with your email and password. They will send you a confirmation email, and then you can start taking tests after you answer some more questions about you. And that's it. Simple work that won't make you rich, but when used in combination with other video methods on this channel, you can really start to build your online income. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of our daily uploads. Until next time, aim high.